Hello students, in today's lesson we'll be covering up the topic of sets. Let's recall some of the things regarding this chapter. What is a set? A set is basically a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. For example, a collection of fruits could be noted as a set. Collection of clothes is also a set. The individual objects in a set are called elements of the set. For example, in the collection of fruits, banana. Within that set, the collection of fruits is known as the element. Moving on, let's recall a bit of what empty or null sets are and what singleton sets are. Empty or null set are basically sets that have no elements. Singleton sets, on the other hand, are sets with just a single element. Finite sets are sets in which you can count the elements. They are countable. However, infinite sets are the entire opposites of finite sets, where you cannot count the elements. It is beyond the countable reach, hence uncountable. Equal sets are sets which contain the same elements. Universal set is basically the collection of all the elements within the set. Now, to know how to use the symbol or the Greek letter E, consider the set A, which has the elements 2, 4, 5, 7 and 9. The number 2 belongs to set A could be symbolized or be written down as 2 being the element with the capital letter or the Greek letter E, and then set A. This is read as element 2 belongs or is an element of set A. However, if you look at the other example, 6 is not an element of set A. So how would you write this in a proper manner? In order to write this, it's the same way except that you put a cross or a cancellation sign on the Greek letter E that symbolizes that 6 is not an element of set A. Let's have a look at the example. These are questions based on true and false. If set A, is a set of first 10 natural numbers, we listed down the elements from 1 to 10. Now the question is, which of the following statement is true? They're asking you if 6 is an element of set A. Yes, the answer would be true, because within the set, the elements from 1 to 10 definitely have the element 6 present within the set. So it is true. Moving on. Is 12 an element of set A? The answer is false. Why? Because the element 12 is beyond the universal set, which is A in this case, and 12 is not present within the range scale. So hence the answer is false. Now, they've used or denoted it as -5 is not an element of set A. As you can see, that slash sign on the Greek letter represents that it is not an element. So the answer for this question would be true, because yes, -5 is not an element of set A, as all the elements are in a positive range. Is -8 not an element of set A? The answer is false. Thank you so much.